Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef outfits in GTA Online for male characters. Creating a muscular look for your character involves smart clothing choices. Since you can't directly change your character's muscle mass in GTA Online, the trick is to use specific apparel to create the illusion of bulk. We'll focus on items that enhance the upper body and provide a powerful silhouette. Let's dive into the best options to achieve that beefy aesthetic. To make your character appear more muscular, focus on the torso. Tight shirts, like muscle shirts or fitted t-shirts, can accentuate any existing definition. Layering is also key. Consider adding a vest or a jacket over your shirt. Items like puffer jackets or utility vests can add significant visual bulk, making your character look wider and more imposing. Don't be afraid to try various combinations to find what works best for your desired look. Completing your beefy outfit involves paying attention to the lower body and accessories. Fitted jeans or cargo pants can help maintain a balanced, muscular silhouette without making your legs look too thin. For footwear, sturdy boots such as combat boots or work boots contribute to a powerful and grounded appearance. Finally, add accessories like a thick chain, a robust watch, or even a tactical backpack to enhance the overall tough aesthetic of your character. Once you've crafted your ideal beefy outfit, remember to save it in your wardrobe at any clothing store or apartment. This allows for quick access and easy switching between your favorite looks. Explore various stores across Los Santos, as each might offer unique items that further enhance your muscular aesthetic. Experiment with different colors and textures to truly personalize your style. Also, for those looking to build a different kind of strength, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.